Hello, everyone. Sorry about the lighting here, but I am going to be showing you today how to record yourself on Canva. It's very easy. Let's see, I'll go to that particular screen and I'm going to make sure that my two screens are side by side. I'm going to move this to a new window. Okay. All right. So, okay. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up Canva, okay? So, I'm going to just start afresh, okay? So www.canva is where we want to go, .com, okay? And that is going to open up a brand new screen for you, okay? And we're just waiting for that to load. And in order to record, it's very easy. It's very easy to create an account. I will present this as if you already have an existing account, and I'll make another video on how to create a account on Canva. So for now, we have all there generating ideas you might want to try, and they have the docs, the whiteboard, but we want to go to video. So we're going to click here on create a blank video, okay? And once we go to create a blank video, while it's loading, I tried to do this on my PC, but my PC is old, and so the microphone portion would not work. And so I wanted you to be able to hear what I was saying. So okay, so we're going to go to create video. Is still loading. So sorry about the time that it's taking to load. Okay. Okay, so it opened up a new tab. Okay. So now, as you can see, once we pressed on that, then now it says, okay, now I can see my mouse. I wasn't able to see my mouse earlier. So you're going to just scroll down on your pick to column, and you're going to click on where it says uploads. And so we're going to press on uploads. That's your second step. So the first step is play with video. The next step is you're going to press on uploads, and please write these specific instructions down so you won't forget. Step number 3, once you go to uploads, you're going to press, actually not upload files, but you want to press on record yourself, okay? So once you press on record yourself, I guess because I am recording a recording, but once you press on record yourself, it's going to send you to a page. And yeah, it's doing that because I'm already recording myself. But it's going to send you, there it is, it's loading. All right, perfect. So this is the actual template. It'll bring up your video. If you are on a laptop, it's going to bring up whatever camera that you have there and whatever microphone that is installed. And you can record yourself with the camera setting. Then over here, you have the camera in screen, or you can just share your screen, but it will still be able to hear your voice. And then once you press record, it will begin to record your video. And once you finish your video, you can simply press done. Okay. And then are going to save and exit. Okay. And then what you have recorded, you can play it back to yourself here, and it'll begin to play. And then you just press the export icon. See, there's the video right there that I just created. It was probably about 3 seconds. Okay. And There it is. It's playing. Okay. So um you just simply download your document, and that's all she wrote. Okay. So in review, we simply go to play video. Once again, let's go through those steps one more time. Okay, I'm going to just go to a blank screen, canva.com. Okay. So it's just going to take me back. That was the end. That's all that needs to be done on there, okay? And so we just go to Canva. You want to press play with video. Wait, let me go back again. I'm sorry. Play with video right here. Okay. Then you're going to go, number one is play with video. Number two is, hold on. It takes a minute. I don't like that. Okay. Play with video while it's loading. Okay. So number one is the play with video tab. Then in the second process, I may not be able to take y'all through a second round because it's just taking so long to upload. That's why I really like to do it on my PC. But for some reason that microphone wasn't working. But once you press play with video, it's gonna bring you to this page. You're just gonna go to the drop menu there, and you're gonna scroll down to uploads. Okay. And then you're just gonna press record yourself, and that's it. All right, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, peace and love.